Are you struggling with slow production, inconsistent ring sizes, or unstable welds when making wire components? Do you spend too much time on manual adjustments, multiple machines, and high labor costs? Introducing TATE CNC wire ring making and welding, a complete solution for modern wire forming production. These advanced machines integrate automatic coil feeding, precise CNC controlled bending, fast cutting, reliable but welding, and automatic unloading in one seamless workflow. With servo-driven precision and CNC control, each wire ring, loop, circle, or round component is produced with perfect shape, accurate dimensions, and strong welds. The fully automated process reduces errors, boosts efficiency, and allows factories to produce large volumes with minimal labor. Our machines are widely used for hardware rings, hooks, construction hoops, furniture supports, storage rack rings, and other round wire products, delivering consistent quality that surpasses traditional machines. Built with durable components and a robust design, TATE machines ensure stable performance even in continuous, high-volume production. When you choose TATE, you are choosing a partner committed to precision, automation, and reliability. Upgrade your production line, save time, reduce costs, and achieve higher quality with one professional solution. Contact us today at info@tateben.com to get your TATE solution.